Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Cherry Mark. Thanks for joining me from wherever you're watching me, and thank you so much for choosing this channel. As you all know, this is the Kikuyu channel. This is where we learn Kikuyu, and this is the place where we learn the Kikuyu culture. I want to appreciate, first of all, all the new subscribers. People are subscribing to this channel every other day. I so much appreciate you. I want to welcome you in this Kikuyu channel, and I want to say a huge thank you to everybody who've been very supportive and people who have been dropping their comments and even writing their suggestions. I haven't forgotten you guys. I'm still working on that, and I hope I'm going to improve on the writings. I've noticed that people have been requesting this hugely and very in a very big number. So I'm looking forward to having this worked on, and I hope most probably I will respond to that as soon as possible. Now, without wasting much time, thank you guys again. I have a new lesson today, and we are going to learn something about asking for a phone number in Kikuyu. Remember, in this period of coronavirus, we are so much forced to use our digital media and even the digital services that we have in our day-to-day lives. That includes social media, our phone numbers, our Skyping, and everything else that is digital. So this has been on high demand, and we are currently forced to do that, and even it's very practical for our day-to-day lives, remembering that most of the countries are facing a very heavy lockdown and even curfews. So without wasting much time, let's get to know how we ask for a phone number from our friends, from the people around us, even from colleagues or even from family members. So the first question that comes along is, what is your phone number? What is your phone number? How do I say that in Kikuyu? Namba yaku ya thimo nereko. Namba, which means number. Yaku, your number. Ya thimo, for the phone. Nereko, what is your phone number? What is it? Or which is your phone number? Or how can I get you on the phone? Namba yaku ya thimo nereko. Namba yaku, I have it down here. Yaku ya thimo nereko. Namba yaku ya thimo nereko. What is your phone number? And definitely I answered that with, my phone number is 0721012345. That is an example of the phone number that I give to someone asking or requesting for the phone number. So how do we call the phone number, or how do I respond in Kikuyu? Gefogo mogwaja igere emwe. Gefogo emwe igere idatu inya idano. Gefogo mogwaja igere emwe. Gefogo emwe igere idatu inya ithano. Namba yakwa ya thimo nĩ gĩbũgũ mũgwanja igĩrĩ ĩmwe gĩbũgũ ĩmwe igĩrĩ ithatũ inya ithano. That is basically the answer to someone asking for the phone number if the number is as follows. Now, I also have a different example of the phone number just to give another version of a particular phone number as follows. Gefogo mogwaja igere idano gefogo ithathatũ mũgwanja inyanya kenda gĩbũgũ. That is the other version of giving the phone number. Gĩbũgũ mũgwanja igĩrĩ ithano gĩbũgũ ithathatũ mũgwanja inyanya kenda gĩbũgũ. My phone number is 0725067890. That is basically how I answer someone who's asking for my phone number, and the phone number giving an example of the one here below. And earlier, before, I also mentioned these numbers as it is above. So if you have not checked on how we call numbers in Kikuyu, or how we have our numbers in Kikuyu, remember to scroll down my videos and maybe make yourself familiar on how we count in Kikuyu and how other numbers are also how we pronounce them in Kikuyu. But all the same, I think I have mentioned here from 0 to 10. So definitely anyone who has difficulties is able to orientate him or herself with the numbers below. Now, basically, the other question that goes along is, okay, you've asked someone, what is your phone number? They mentioned the number is as follows. And remember, when you are asking, you have the question as follows. Namba yaku ya thimũ nĩ ĩrĩkũ? The first sentence right here. What is your phone number? Namba yaku ya thimũ nĩ ĩrĩkũ? That is the question. Now, the other thing that follows is you answer and say namba yakwa ya thimũ nĩ gĩbũgũ mũgwanja igĩrĩ ithano, and so on and so forth. Now, you might say, you can call me on this number. Hũrĩra thimũ, hũrĩra thimũ, hũrĩra thimũ, hũrĩra thimũ. Call me on the phone, or call me on the following number, or basically call me or call my phone. Hũrĩra thimũ. Thimũ is phone. Thimũ is a phone. Or you can even say nyandĩkĩra ndũmĩrĩri namba-inĩ ĩyo ya thimũ. Nyandĩkĩra ndũmĩrĩri namba-inĩ ĩyo ya thimũ. Ndũmĩrĩri is a message. Nyandĩkĩra, write me. Write me a message. Ndũmĩra or nyandĩkĩra ndũmĩrĩri. Ndũmĩrĩri is basically a message. Nyandĩkĩra is write. Nyandĩkĩra ndũmĩrĩri. And then maybe you might say ũngĩenda no ũnjarie mĩtambo-inĩ ya Facebook, Twitter, ona kana Instagram. Ũngĩenda, if you'd like, you can also find me on other social media pages. Or if you like, you can also get me or catch up with me or get in contact with me on the social media sites. Ndũmĩra ndũmĩrĩri, send me a message. Ũngĩenda no ojarie mĩtambo-inĩ ya Facebook kana Instagram kana ona kana Twitter. Ũngĩenda no ũnjarie mĩtambo-inĩ ya Facebook, Instagram, ona kana Twitter. Now, basically, that's the whole conversation, or that's basically how you ask and how the answers are when you are asking for their phone numbers or the contact details. So, it's just simply namba yaku ya thimũ nĩ ĩrĩkũ? What is your number? And then you answer namba yakwa ya thimũ nĩ gĩbũgũ mũgwanja igĩrĩ blah blah blah. That's how you answer. Hũrĩra thimũ, call me on the phone or call my phone. Hũrĩra thimũ. Ndũmĩra or nyandĩkĩra ndũmĩrĩri. Nyandĩkĩra ndũmĩrĩri. Nyandĩkĩra, write me a message. Ndũmĩrĩri, we said, is a message. Nyandĩkĩra is write. Or you can say send me. Ndũmĩra ndũmĩrĩri. Send me a message. Send me a message. Or you can say ndũmĩra ndũmĩrĩri. Ndũmĩra ndũmĩrĩri on a certain email address. For example, you can say ndũmĩra ndũmĩrĩri at Kikuyu channel.de.yahoo and so on and so forth. Ndũmĩra ndũmĩrĩri. The other thing is ũngĩenda kũnjaria no ũnjarie mĩtambo-inĩ ya Facebook, Twitter, kana Instagram. Or just simply say ũngĩenda, or just say no ũnjarie mĩtambo-inĩ ya Facebook, Twitter, kana Instagram. No ũnjarie mĩtambo-inĩ ya Facebook, Instagram, ona kana Twitter. Ũngĩenda no ũnjarie. If you would like, or if you like, you can find me on Facebook or on Twitter or even on Instagram. The other thing is you can just say find me on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. No ũngore or no ndĩ mĩtambo-inĩ ya Facebook, Twitter na Instagram. Ndĩ mĩtambo-inĩ ya Facebook, Twitter na Instagram. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you so much for being part of this channel. I thank you, and I want to appreciate you all. I hope you were able to learn something with this lesson. Till we meet again next time, stay safe wherever you are and be blessed. Goodbye, and don't forget to hand wash your hands, sanitize, wear your mask, and keep safe and keep healthy. Goodbye.